Hold on to your forks, folks, because the world of food is changing. Veganism, once a niche lifestyle, is exploding in popularity. From bustling cities to quiet towns, more and more people are saying yes to plant-powered plates. Why the shift? It's a mix of things. People are more aware of the ethical treatment of animals. Others are concerned about the environmental impact of meat production. And let's not forget the undeniable health benefits of a plant-based diet. But here's the best part. Going vegan doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or fun. Gone are the days of bland tofu and limp lettuce. Vegan cuisine today is a vibrant, exciting world bursting with flavor, creativity, and variety. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with dishes so delicious you won't believe they're vegan. From spicy curries to creamy pasta dishes to decadent desserts, vegan food is anything but boring. This isn't just a trend, it's a delicious revolution. People everywhere are discovering that plant-based eating can be satisfying, adventurous, and downright delicious. So, whether you're a seasoned vegan or just vegan curious, get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will open your mind and your stomach to a whole new world of flavor. Buckle up, because we're about to take your taste buds on a wild ride. Let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the misconception on the plate. Vegan food is often met with raised eyebrows and skeptical glances, but what do you eat? Is the age-old question laced with a hint of concern and perhaps a touch of judgment. Time to shatter those myths, one delicious bite at a time. Veganism isn't about deprivation, it's about abundance. It's about celebrating the incredible diversity and flavor of plant-based ingredients from every corner of the globe. Think vibrant vegetables bursting with flavor, hearty legumes packed with protein, and grains that are as versatile as they are delicious. And don't even get us started on the wonderful world of spices, herbs, and sauces that can transform even the simplest dish into a culinary masterpiece. Vegan food is anything but bland. In fact, it's an explosion of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. From the smoky depths of a perfectly charred eggplant to the refreshing zing of a citrusy salad, vegan cuisine is a symphony of flavors waiting to be explored. So, ditch the preconceived notions and get ready to experience the delightful world of vegan cuisine, where every bite is a celebration of flavor and creativity. Hold on to your hats, omnivores and herbivores alike, because we're about to debunk another myth. Vegan food is so much more than just salads, though we do love a good salad. Get ready to dive into a world of culinary delights that will make you question everything you thought you knew about plant-based eating. Imagine sinking your teeth into a juicy, flavorful burger piled high with all the fixings, or savoring a creamy, cheesy pasta dish that will have you licking the plate clean. Craving comfort food? How about a warm, hearty stew that will warm you from the inside out? Yes, you read that right. All of these dishes can be completely vegan. The possibilities are endless in the world of vegan cuisine. From classic comfort foods to innovative new creations, there's a vegan version of just about every dish imaginable. Chefs and home cooks alike are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with plant-based ingredients, creating culinary masterpieces that are as delicious as they are visually stunning. So, ditch the stereotype of rabbit food and prepare to be amazed by the sheer variety and creativity of vegan cuisine. Fasten your seatbelts, food lovers, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable culinary journey. This is not your average trip around the world. This is a deep dive into the heart and soul of vegan cuisines across the globe. Get ready to explore the rich tapestry of flavors, ingredients, and traditions that make each region's vegan cuisine unique and utterly delicious. Our adventure will take us from the bustling streets of Asia, where fragrant spices and bold flavors reign supreme, to the sunny shores of the Mediterranean, where fresh produce and simple preparations create dishes that are both healthy and bursting with flavor. We'll uncover hidden culinary gems in Eastern Europe, explore the innovative vegan scene in North America, and venture into the vibrant and diverse culinary landscapes of South America and Africa. Along the way, we'll share fascinating stories behind traditional dishes, uncover the secrets of plant-based cooking, and reveal the health benefits of a vegan lifestyle without ever being preachy. Promise. So, pack your appetite, your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the world of vegan cuisine like never before. This is more than just a culinary journey, it's a celebration of the incredible diversity, creativity, and sheer deliciousness of plant-based food. Let the adventure begin. Our vegan adventure begins in Asia, a continent brimming with ancient traditions, vibrant cultures, and an astounding array of plant-based cuisines. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the tropical islands of Southeast Asia, this vast continent offers a kaleidoscope of flavors and aromas that will tantalize your senses and redefine your perception of vegan food. Prepare to be transported to bustling street markets, where the air is thick with the scent of exotic spices and the sizzle of woks. Imagine vibrant curries simmering in clay pots, delicate dumplings steaming in bamboo baskets, and colorful salads bursting with fresh herbs and tangy dressings. This is Asia, where vegan food is not just a dietary choice but a way of life, deeply woven into the fabric of its rich culinary heritage. Join us as we embark on a culinary journey through this fascinating continent, uncovering the secrets of its plant-based cuisines. We'll explore the diverse flavors of India, delve into the delicate art of Japanese vegan cuisine, and uncover the hidden gems of Southeast Asia's vibrant vegan scene. Get ready to awaken your palate and discover the sheer diversity and deliciousness of Asian vegan cuisine. Our first stop takes us to India, the land of spices, where vegetarianism has been practiced for centuries. India's vegan cuisine is a symphony of flavors, a harmonious blend of fragrant spices, fresh herbs, and a dazzling array of vegetables, legumes, and grains. From the fiery curries of the south to the rich, creamy dishes of the north, Indian vegan food is a feast for the senses. Imagine the aroma of cumin, coriander, and turmeric filling your kitchen as you simmer a pot of chana masala, a flavorful chickpea curry that's as comforting as it is delicious. Picture yourself scooping up mouth-watering lentil soup or dal with a piece of fluffy naan bread, the perfect accompaniment to any Indian meal. And let's not forget the endless variety of vegetable dishes, from spicy aloo gobi, potatoes and cauliflower, to creamy saag paneer, spinach and tofu. But Indian vegan cuisine is more than just curries and dals. It's also about street food delights like samosas, crispy pastries filled with spiced potatoes and peas, and dosa, thin, crepe-like pancakes served with a variety of savory fillings. And for those with a sweet tooth, there's gulab jamun, soft, spongy milk balls soaked in a fragrant rosewater syrup, and kheer, a creamy rice pudding flavored with cardamom and pistachios. Indian vegan cuisine is a true celebration of flavor and diversity, offering something to satisfy every palate. Land of the rising vegan sun, Japan. Next we journey eastward to Japan, a land renowned for its delicate flavors, exquisite presentation, and reverence for fresh, seasonal ingredients. While sushi might be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking of Japanese cuisine, the country's vegan offerings extend far beyond raw fish. Japanese vegan food is an art form, a delicate balance of taste, texture, and visual appeal. One of the cornerstones of Japanese vegan cuisine is shojin ryori, traditional Buddhist temple cuisine that emphasizes simplicity, purity, and respect for all living things. Shojin ryori dishes are typically made with seasonal vegetables, tofu, seaweed, and other plant-based ingredients, prepared in a way that enhances their natural flavors and textures. But Japanese vegan cuisine is not limited to traditional dishes. In recent years, there has been a surge in innovative vegan restaurants and cafes popping up across the country, offering everything from plant-based ramen to veganized versions of classic Japanese dishes like okonomiyaki and tempura. Japanese vegan cuisine is a testament to the country's culinary creativity and its ability to adapt and evolve while staying true to its roots. Beyond sushi exploring Japanese vegan variety, while sushi often steals the show, Japanese vegan cuisine offers a delightful array of options beyond just vinegared rice and nori. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer variety and ingenuity of plant-based dishes that will have you rethinking Japanese food altogether. Noodles, for example, take center stage in many Japanese meals, and vegan versions are just as satisfying. Slurp down a steaming bowl of ramen with a rich, flavorful broth made from kombu and shiitake mushrooms, topped with springy noodles, tofu, and seasonal vegetables. Or try soba noodles made from buckwheat, served cold with a dipping sauce or in a warming broth. Don't overlook the humble bento box either. These compartmentalized lunchboxes offer a delightful way to sample a variety of Japanese flavors and textures. Imagine a colorful assortment of pickled vegetables, simmered tofu, seaweed salad, and rice, all beautifully arranged in a lacquered box. Japanese vegan cuisine is a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach, a testament to the Japanese attention to detail and appreciation for aesthetic beauty in all aspects of life, including food. Southeast Asia, a fusion of flavors. Our Asian culinary adventure continues south, to the vibrant and diverse region of Southeast Asia. From the fragrant curries of Thailand to the fresh, herbaceous dishes of Vietnam, Southeast Asian cuisine is a melting pot of flavors, influenced by Chinese, Indian, and Malay culinary traditions. Get ready for a flavor explosion with Thai green curry, a fragrant and creamy coconut milk-based curry simmered with vegetables, tofu, and aromatic spices like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Or tantalize your taste buds with Vietnamese pho, a flavorful rice noodle soup traditionally made with a meat-based broth, but easily veganized with vegetable broth, and a medley of fresh herbs like cilantro, mint, and Thai basil. And for a truly unique culinary experience, venture into the world of Indonesian cuisine. Discover tempeh, a fermented soybean product that's a staple in Indonesian cooking, used in everything from stir-fries to curries, or sample gado-gado, a vibrant salad with peanut sauce, showcasing the fresh flavors and textures that define Southeast Asian cuisine. From spicy to savory to sweet, Southeast Asian vegan food is a symphony of flavors that will transport your taste buds to the bustling streets and fragrant markets of this captivating region. Asian vegan, more than a trend. As we conclude our culinary journey through Asia, it's clear that veganism in this part of the world is more than just a passing trend. It's a way of life, deeply rooted in history, culture, and tradition. From Buddhist principles of non-violence to Ayurvedic beliefs about the interconnectedness of all living things, plant-based eating has long been an integral part of Asian societies. What's truly remarkable is how Asian cultures have embraced veganism not as a restrictive diet, but as an opportunity for culinary creativity and innovation. Chefs and home cooks alike continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with plant-based ingredients, drawing inspiration from ancient recipes and experimenting with new techniques to create dishes that are both delicious and visually stunning. The future of Asian vegan cuisine is bright, with a new generation of chefs and food enthusiasts eager to share their culinary heritage with the world. As more people discover the diversity, flavor, and health benefits of Asian vegan food, it's only a matter of time before these plant-based delights become a staple on dinner tables around the globe. So, open your mind, awaken your palate, and get ready to experience the magic of Asian vegan cuisine. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.